Hello and welcome to day 1 of my 365-day programming journey. Today we're going to be creating a project setup script. I call it a planner setup in the file name, just ignore that. It's a project setup. But first things first, you can see that I have an art, audio, and a miscellaneous folder here. But I also need a projects folder with every single day in it, along with a note file for that specific day. So that's what this planner setup, but it's actually a project setup, script is going to do. And the sources are from Geeks for Geeks, create an empty file using Python, create a directory in Python, check if a file or directory exists in Python, and loops in Python. All of the links are going to be in the description. So let's get to it. So first things first is I import OS. That lets us have access to all the files. Then we're going to create our variables for the directories and whatnot. And then below that, we're going to actually first check if we have a projects directory. And if not, we're going to go ahead and make it. And the next part's where we really get into the meat of the programming. We're going to create a while loop, and we're going to go for every single day, create a subdirectory for it, create the path, make sure that that directory doesn't exist already. And then if it doesn't, go ahead and make it. And then we're going to create a file for our notes in every single directory. And once that's done, we'll run it and we'll see that it outputs, and there we go. There's every single day, and they have their own notes file, so you can go to any of them and they'll have their notes file. So let's go ahead and move the planner setup. Again, it's actually a project setup, and move it into the correct day, and that'll be day 1 completed. Subscribe to stay updated and leave suggestions in the comments for other videos, and see you tomorrow.